Changing your life in 21 days may seem like a challenge, but believe me, small daily actions can completely transform your routine, your well-being, and even the way you see yourself. I have been practicing this in my life and have already become a better person. Today, I want to show you what you need to know to have a life transformation. Get ready to discover amazing, practical, and easy-to-follow tips designed especially for young modern women full of dreams like you. But first, subscribe and leave your like so more people can discover our channel. First step, start the day with gratitude. Upon waking up, even before you pick up your phone, close your eyes for a few seconds and be thankful for 3 things in your life. It can be for your health, your family, a recent achievement, or even simply for being alive. This simple habit changes the way you face the world and brings more lightness to your day. Second step, move. You don't need to be an athlete to start. Dance to your favorite music while you get ready, do light stretches, or walk around the neighborhood. The important thing is to get your body moving and feel that good energy flowing. Exercise releases endorphins, improves mood, and boosts self-esteem. Third step, take care of your skin. Take a few minutes for a skincare routine. Cleanse, hydrate, and protect. Well-cared-for skin not only enhances your natural beauty, but is also an act of self-love. Take this moment to look at yourself in the mirror and admire your own beauty without judgment. Fourth step, eat a balanced diet. Include fruits, vegetables, and natural foods in your daily routine. Try new, colorful, and tasty recipes. Eating well is not about restriction, but about nourishing your body with what it needs to function better. Fifth step, set aside some time for yourself. It can be reading a book, listening to an inspiring playlist, meditating, or writing in a journal. These moments of connection with yourself help organize your thoughts, relieve stress, and keep you focused on your goals. Sixth step, organize your space. A clean and tidy environment makes all the difference in productivity and well-being. Take a few minutes of the day to put everything in order, whether it's the bedroom, the study desk, or even that special corner where you relax. Seventh step, connect with people who make you feel good. Send a message to that special friend, arrange a coffee, or simply share a laugh. Healthy relationships are essential for our happiness. Finally, remember, lasting changes happen gradually. Be kind to yourself during this process. If you ever slip out of the routine, it's okay. The important thing is to keep trying and celebrate every small victory. In 21 days, you will realize how these simple habits can transform not only your routine, but also your self-esteem and happiness. You deserve all this care and love. Start today and inspire other women to do the same. After all, the best version of you is just 21 days away.